Sesya ni na udhocha na tuyati ya niandhino wa Facebook ni Mutongoi TV. Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni wa Kenya Mosumbi. Dr. William Ruto ndakethiwe na mivango ya kulikila wiki kuu wa usakwani munene wa mwaka wa 2021. Aineenea Kyome Thaana Kalonzo easya ngwatanio ya Azimio ni kumbana Kamukunji uni kunenanisya maundu ma vata yulu wa kuikiithya William Ruto ndana atumia nae utonyi ula winagwo.
Anatika Kalonzo kumbuko ya mtu.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni wa mukania President William Ruto yuluwa kwithwa na muvango wa kung'ea kula sya usumbi sya mwaka wa 2021 kwisila kulikilela nzama ya usakwani na mipaka IEBC.
We basically are saying please do not pre-rig 2027 elections. We love this nation. And I know our people of Kenya will continue to hold dear the provisions of Constitution 2010. Hatuna ubaya. The issue of IEBC is a core democratic issue. Na hakuna mtu candidate ambaye atataka kuwa candidate 2027 ako na ruhusa ya kutimulia mbali watimlia, because nilienda mimi na Raila bunge na nikaona the kangaroo court, neto jela, nikasikiliza. They had clear instructions kutimlia hawa makamishina inchi. We all we love this nation. So Mr. President, let me address you from Kiwanzani. Act justly.
Kalonzo na ulo kunenea wodi ni Kyome Thaana kuya mwingi othiloni wa sua kaunti ni ya Kitui kavinda kala evikite omukunia maleve muteti ula ungamite na chama cha Wiper usakwani ula ukite wa matuko nana ni waisye kana ngwatanio ya Azimio-One Kenya no nginya twaisye umbano wayo kwi muthenyani wa uni kiwanzani cha Kamukunji grounds musyini wa Ilovi na mayaile usi wa ni mundu ona wiva nondo ni etikilye miao.
So we don't even need President Ruto kujisumbua. It is our constitutional right. Tutaenda Kamukunji on Wednesday. And we mean well for this country. We want to reform a serious opposition in this country. Serious opposition. But guided by the rule of law. Sisi tuko tayari. Na tuko tayari hata kumsaidia Ruto mahali anahitaji usaidizi.
Munini wa President wa tene inginu wetie kana kukwithwa kwa makomishana ana ma IEBC alama ndio vathukanu na mausungio makivila cha usumbi kuyailite na kuke vindani ithuku ayasya kana itambia isuni ya kumanya masya na nonginya aki yithiwe.
Na kama wangekubali mawaidha yangu, hii sio wakati wa kutimlia mbali timu ya Cherera na wale wengine. Justice must be seen, and this is basic. Justice must not only be done, but it must manifestly be seen to be done in the case of Cherera and our fellow commissioners. Kwa hivyo tusisumbuane akili, tusiharibu nchi, tusifuruge nchi.
Ndongoi sya Azimio itongwewe ni Raila Odinga na Martha Karua kwi iyo ni mathingile ile kana umbano wo uyovo na timaandamano oundu aingi manesila sya.
The December 7th Kamukunji meeting, we confirm that the meeting is on as earlier planned. And for those in charge of the security agencies to do their duty to ensure that they keep peace at our meeting as provided by the Constitution and the law.
It's a peaceful public consultative meeting. It is not a demonstration or picketing. If you wanted to do a protest demonstration, we would just inform the police, provide security, and we will do it. But we are not demonstrating. We are not going to engage in any act of thuggery or hooliganism, and no property is going to be destroyed.
Ndilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo ni tawairastas kithuku wanzomo.
Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka na akavika. Ramo ya matei maku